I'm Sarah.
And I'm Emma. And today we are going to be doing a
Fidget Spinner battle!
This is mine.
This is mine.
Wait, where's the camera? Do we look here? Oh, we do.
The camera.
Sarah, move over.
Okay.
Move over.
Alright, so it's Sarah versus Amelia first. Okay.
Oh, really? 3.
Oh man, that cut.
We have to get in the video. 3, 2, 1. Really? Okay.
Wait. Do it again. I didn't see who was winning.
Go.
No.
Oh, I won!
No, wait.
I'm still going.
Amelia is a winner!
No, my hand was on it.
Oh
Fine,
my
we'll do it again.
gosh. I'm still going. I
Amelia is
won.
a winner!
Me too.
No, you spinned it again.
Fine, it's Amelia versus
We're gonna look over that video again to see if she really did. Like, oh, mine's still going. Ah.
Comment down below who do you think won that round.
Yeah, it was definitely me.
Sarah, sit down.
On.
All right, now me and Emma.
Oh, come on.
So this is my fidget spinner.
This is my fidget spinner.
This is
So
mine.
we're going to verse each other, me and Emma.
But
Sarah.
mine's rarer, so it's actually better than that.
Actually, no, I beat you in this one.
Yeah, that's because it's heavier.
Yeah, right.
Not rarer.
Mine's
Okay.
really heavy.
All right, Sarah, move. Do. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait.
But next time we have to pick our new fidgets.
Oh,
That was round one.
I won!
Emma's winner! Ah, which means she gets to be tackled! Oh!
No. Wait.
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulty.
You're looking at the camera. You're supposed to look here.
I know.
Okay, so that was our fidget spinner challenge.
That was the worst video I've ever
But
seen.
now it's time for level 2.
Level 2.
Pick your new fidgets.
Tree.
Oh, I got a heavy one.
You use them to learn your primary colors.
No.
Okay, ready.
This is cool.
Me and Sarah verse.
All right.
3.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wait, it's still go. Mine's still going.
Mine still go.
Nope, you're stuck. I
I
won.
didn't win.
All right, now
Wait,
this is
can we go
mine.
again?
No.
Oh, come
A
on.
match is a match. Ready?
Come on.
Set. Go.
Oh, come on, guys.
I'm still going. I win.
Amelia wins.
I'm ready.
I'm second place.
Okay, try it again.
Wait, no. You two get to go to see who's second place.
Okay.
All right, so Sarah versus Emma. Get in the camera. You know what? I'm just going to be the camera girl right now. Where? How do? Whatever. All right.
You ready?
And go.
Emma wins.
My hand was on.
No. You
Come
said
on,
that last
Emma.
time.
No.
Come on.
No, Sarah, you didn't put your hand on it. It just stopped.
Please.
Sarah, no.
Please.
Sarah.
She wins. No.
Fine, I'm done with you. You guys are not fair. Wait.
Let's go. That's what they do.
Give me the camera.
Why?
Because.
Is the door unlocked? Dang it, it's locked.
Sarah, you can come out now.
You're not fair. Wait. You're cheating.
I guess that was it for the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like this video.